Hey guys, OnePlus Nord Buds 2 launched in India in April this year, and now the company prepared to unveil the OnePlus Nord Buds 3. The company has not revealed anything about upcoming earbuds, but a recent leak showcased the complete design of the OnePlus Nord Buds 3. And this is a design cat render. The upcoming earbuds will be featuring a redesigned look, transition from sharp edges to smooth, rounded style. The overall design is described as a simple and minimalistic with a glossy and matte finish. On the rest of the cases, the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 is powered by 525 mAh battery, and the devices come with Bluetooth 5.3. So that's all about OnePlus Nord Buds 3, all the leaks and specification. So if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.